Hello everyone, so here's how to install Acorns app on iPhone. So here's the app, Acorns Invest Per Change. You need to go to App Store and just search for this exact app and then confirm with Touch ID or Face ID. Then this is like investing app, you can and saving and invest. So here is the main features. It's in top charts in finance category on App Store. It also has size 136.6 megabytes, so you need to have some free storage. And then you can just open it. And then, you can create your account. Please leave your reviews. Do you use it? Why do you like it? If you did use it but stopped, why did you do that? And just your reviews. Why do you like this app?